So you might be in a situation where stock iPhone applications are missing. Now, the display you see right now are basically the stock iPhone applications that majority of the times come within your iPhone. So things like mail application or settings or camera or app store or clock, files, Siri shortcuts, things like that. If for some reason these applications are missing, the first place I'd recommend going through and seeing if you can find them is within the app library. Now you can go to the app library by swiping all the way to the end of your iPhone panel until you get into this page. Now within this page, what you can do is you can swipe down just like how I did right here, and you'll come into an alphabetical list of every single application on your iPhone. Every single app that exists on your iPhone is right here. So let's say we're trying to find the settings application. What we can do is we can scroll down until we find settings, and you will be able to most of the time find all the applications here. Now apps like settings and like phone call and messages cannot be deleted, but certain other apps can be removed. So keep that in mind. But you can see settings right here. You can open up the settings here, or you can hold down on the application like this, bring it to your main page and drop it off like this. So that's another thing you can do as well. So that is the first place I'd recommend looking. Now let's say you go there and you cannot find that application. Well, the next place you want to go and check is basically within your app store. So like I said, most applications can be removed and they can actually be deleted from your phone. So if we go and make our way over to our search bar here, let's say we're trying to find like files. Well, we can go and type in files just like this. And if you find the files application like this, if you deleted it from your iPhone, you should be able to find it right within here. And anytime that it says like utilities or like anything like that, usually it's an Apple application, but it's just telling you exactly what type of application it is. So from here, you can open up this specific app, and there's lots and lots of other apps that are like this. So that's basically what you can try doing. You can also find all the other Apple applications. So it says more by Apple. You can click see all, and you can find all the other applications that you can delete from your phone within this specific panel right here. So that is pretty much how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.